Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share your Buy Me a Coffee link. So if you want more donations, supporters, or memberships, sharing your link the right way actually makes a big difference, and I'll show you how to do it step by step in 2026. First, log into your Buy Me a Coffee account and go to your creator page. Once you're there, copy your unique support link from the top or settings section. Next, paste your link into your social media bios. This includes platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or X. This is one of the easiest ways to get consistent traffic to your page. Now add your Buy Me a Coffee link in your video descriptions. If you're a content creator, this is super powerful because every video becomes a chance to get support. Next, share your link in relevant communities like Discord servers, Facebook groups, or forums. Just make sure you're adding value and not spamming, otherwise people may ignore your link. Now use simple calls to action like support my work or buy me a coffee if you enjoy this content. Small phrases like this can actually increase clicks and donations a lot. And that's basically it. You now know how to share your Buy Me a Coffee link in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helps you get more support and grow your audience faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.